Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find wishlist in AliExpress on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. On the browser, navigate to AliExpress website. Once you're on the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Only after you are logged in, you can add any items to the wishlist. So you can explore through the products over here. And if you like any products, you can just tap on it. And on the products page, here you can see different pictures of the products. Just at the bottom right hand side of the pictures, here you can see the like button. If you want to add this product to the wish list, you can tap on this like button. Tap on it. Now this item is added to my wish list. So in order to access the wish list, here in the home page, you can see the profile icon at the top right. Tap on it. In this section, you can see the wishlist option just below your profile name. Tap on wishlist. And here you will see all the items you have saved in your wishlist. So that's it. You've successfully found your wishlist on AliExpress. You can now easily access all your saved items and shop whenever you are ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.